Well, good afternoon. This is David Wilson. I'm here at Overdivest Nurseries. It's a beautiful afternoon, and I wanted to take this opportunity to show you some of our lovely evergreen hollies. In particular, just look at this lovely variety that's called Ilex crenata Beehive. As the name suggests, here's one that grows into a conical mound that's the shape of an old-fashioned beehive. When you look closely at the foliage, you'll see that it's very dense and compact. These dark green shiny leaves really stand out no matter what time of the year you're looking at. Of course, it's really marvelous during the autumn and winter and early part of the spring. During the latter part of the spring, it will have little white flowers, and occasionally, because it's a female variety, it will have black berries that little birds will seed on. But really, it's grown for this tight, compact, conical shape, and it can be used either as a single specimen. Planted in mass plantings would be very good put into foundation plantings, and if you look down this line here, you'll see how it would also make a very nice low hedge, and more importantly, a low hedge that doesn't need much clipping or maintenance. You can trim it, of course, but really it will do very nicely without much trimming, and that's very important in today's world. But as I talk about today's world, my mind goes back to 1961 when our good friend Dr. Elwin Orton first picked this variety out. He had 21,000 seedlings that he made from a cross, and out of that he picked this variety, and here it is now with its tight, compact habit, a very important variety that's in commerce and grown now probably in many parts of the world. We really like it for its reliability, will grow in sun or in partially shaded conditions, though it's probably honestly better in sunny conditions, and is a really neat, tight, compact, mounded evergreen plant that I think you'll enjoy growing. This is Ilex crenata Beehive.